Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to check if your hard drive is failing. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tricknology. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So at first you need to go to your start menu and type over there cmd. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. Now I have to put two commands over there. The first command is wmic space disk drive get status. After that press enter. So as you can see, status is showing okay. Now I have to put another command which is wmic slash namespace then slash root. So don't worry with that, I will give you this command on my video description. So after that type over there wmi then path then ns storage then driver then underscore failure predict status. Okay, after that press enter. So as you can see, it's showing false and the reason is showing 0. That's mean it is okay. If it is showing true, and it will show you guys a reason over there. So now you have to go to your start menu and type over there performance monitor tool. So you have to open this tool, and after that you have to click over there on data collector sets and expand this system. Now here you will get one option over there, it's called system diagnostic. So right click over there and click on start. Now it will take near about 1 minute. So after done you have to go to the reports. So expand this. Now expand system. Now expand system diagnostic and you have to click on your report. As you can see, it's collecting the data for 60 seconds. So you will get a window like this. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comment down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.